Hi my beauties, this is Uma. You are watching Beauty Tips with Uma. Welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I am going to show a festive makeup look. Dussehra is around, so why not a festive makeup look? So let's get started. First, I am going to use my favorite face serum, Busy Oil. This is the dry oil serum. If you have a dry skin, I highly recommend this oil. Check out in my description box for all the details. And then I am going to blend up my favorite MAC foundation in the shade of warm color, and I'm going to blend a little bit for today's festive makeup look. I like to blend my foundation deep into the skin, so I use the oval makeup brushes to blend the foundation. Next, I am going to use the same MAC foundation in the shade of dark color, and I'm going to contour my shape of the face. You can use a contour stick or anything for your needed, but I'm going to use a foundation to contour my face. This gonna makes your face so miracle. This is the one I'm going to blend a neat touch up for my contour by using a plain brush, and I'm going to blend up again with my sponge blender. This gonna makes your face an extra shape, like if you want a cheek real shape for your cheekbones, for your side nose, that's gonna makes you extra look. Here I'm going to use MAC press powder, and I'm going to blend up to my complete face, neck and ears. Using Wet n Wild pink blush, and I'm going to blend up to my cheekbones. This is a light pink shade. If you want, you can use a dark pink shade. I'm going to link in my description box everything of my details about makeup. And here I'm going to use my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to brow up my eyebrows. This is in the shade of brown color, and this gonna fills your eyebrows so amazing. Here I am going to use my favorite BH Cosmetics Zodiac eyeshadow palette. From that palette I am going to use a different kind of colors, and I am going to blend up to my eyeshadow. So this is the one I am going to use a peacock color, and I am going to crease up my corner area to get that smoky look. Using a light peach color, and I'm going to blend up to my crease area, and this color both combination looks so amazing. Let's try it. Using shimmer blue color highly pigmented eyeshadow, and I'm going to grease up to the rest of the eyelid, and this gonna makes your colors super well. Blend all these three colors. You have to blend a lot. Using Revlon eye black pencil, I'm going to crease up to my water eyelid just a little bit, not like a smoky look. And using the same blue color which I already used to my eyelid, I'm going to crease up the same colors to my water eyelid to get that extra look. Using my favorite MAC mascara, and this is a volume mascara, and I'm going to blend up to my lashes. Using the same Zodiac palette, in that palette I'm having a single highlighter. That one I'm going to use to my eyebrow area. Using David Lee pencil in the shade of dark brown color, and I'm going to fill up to my lips, just getting that shape. For today's makeup look, I'm going to use two shades of lipstick from the brand of MAC. One is peach color and the one is magenta. So first I'm going to blend up with my peach color, and then for the middle of the lips I'm going to blend up with my magenta. And here you go. The look is so amazing, just like neutral lips. And finally I'm going to blend my highlighter from the same Zodiac palette which I already used it to my eye bones. So the same thing I'm going to just blend up to my face. And here comes my final festive Dussehra makeup look. I hope you like this video. Check out my description box for all the details. We'll be back soon with a brand new makeup look. So see you soon. Bye.